The Ministry of Railways is swiftly meeting the state government's demand for the facility of COVID care coaches during the current raging second spell of the COVID pandemic with its fleet of 4,000 coaches, retrofitted as isolation units, with a capacity of 64,000 beds. As per currently available data, these facilities are seeing a steady intake, registering a cumulative admission of 81 COVID patients and their subsequent discharge of 22 patients. None of the facilities have registered any casualties. The updated position of the utility of these coaches positioned at the 9 major stations in the states of Delhi, UP, MP, and Maharashtra are as follows. In Delhi, the railway has catered to the full demand of state government's demand for 75 COVID care coaches with a capacity of Danyuth and Ufin BEDS. 50 coaches are positioned at Shakur Basti and 25 coaches at Anand Vihar stations. Presently, 5 patients were admitted at Shakur Basti and 1 patient discharged. In the first COVID wave last year, 2020, 857 patients were admitted and discharged at Shakur Basti facility. In Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, the railway has deployed 20 isolation coaches, with a capacity of 292 BEDS. 3 patients were admitted and are presently utilizing the facility. In Nandurbar, Maharashtra, 24 isolation coaches with a capacity of 292 beds have been deployed. This facility has registered 73 admissions till date. Of the 55 patients, admissions in the current COVID spell, 7 patients have been discharged. 4 new admissions were recorded during the day, the 26th of April 2021. The unit has 326 beds still available for COVID patients. In UP, though coaches have not yet been requisitioned by state govt, 10 coaches each are placed at Faizabad, Bhadohi, Varanasi, Bareilly, Nazibabad, totaling to a capacity of 800 beds. 50 coaches